Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Buniquedoll, and today I kind of wanted to make a grocery shopping haul. We spent over $300, to be exact, $331. This is like the most we've spent. I don't know what happened. I think me and Steven were just really hungry and we just wanted everything. So yeah, I just kind of want to show you guys what we got. So yeah, let's begin. I'm gonna try to do this really fast because I want to like try and get everything put up because it's a lot. So first thing I'm gonna show you guys are these hot pockets. These come in handy for whenever like you work a lot and you don't have time to cook, or just if you just don't normally like to cook like me. I also got this. This is like a faux instant soup. I don't know, I like pho and I kind of just want to try it. This is like my first time buying this, so I bought me and Steven one of these. I bought a bunch of these, you already know, all kinds of flavors. I like the ones in the cups just because they're a lot more easier, and Steven likes the bag ones, so these are the ones that he got. I bought this one. This is really good. I normally just make like cheese tacos out of it. We bought ham. This is the kind that we buy. We bought 2 of these because Steven normally eats one in like 2 days. Okay, so that's that. We also bought some ice cream. We just had one. We bought some bananas. I like to get some green ones just because I take a while to like eat them. I also bought me one of these. It's been a while. I used to like buy these a lot when I was a little kid. My parents didn't really have that much money, and so like every time that I used to get these, it was a good day because I don't know, my dad normally couldn't really buy some for us, and whenever he did, it was like a really good day because they're so delicious. So I bought me one of these for today. I'm probably gonna eat that after the video. I bought me some seaweed. If you know me, you know I am addicted to seaweed. Not as much as I used to be, but yeah. I bought this mashed potatoes. These are instant mashed potatoes. And you guys are gonna see that we bought like a bunch of like frozen foods and like a lot of like foods that we can put in the microwave and make really fast, just because Steven bought some corn syrup. We bought these. In Spanish you call these fideo, so I don't know what they're called in English. Another pair of bananas. These are more yellow than the first ones just because we're probably gonna eat these first. More of these little ramen noodle soups. I normally don't eat candy, but I don't know what went wrong with me today that I was like craving some sweets. So I bought me these lollipops. I think I've had them before, so hopefully they're the ones that I've had before. If not, I'm gonna be really mad. So yeah. We also bought some Alfredo sauce because Steven's gonna make us some chicken Alfredo tomorrow or today, I don't know when. Some strawberries. I normally don't get to like have some of these. By the time I like remember that we have strawberries in the fridge, they're already gone because Steven already ate them all. Got some gum and some flour. I bought these 2 lighters just because I do have candles. Like, let me show you guys. I have candles that look like this, and so like you can't normally light them up with like the normal lighters, so you need like the ones that have like the end like this. So I bought 2 because it was like buy one and get the other one free. Steven got this cornbread mix. He's probably gonna do this someday. And then more mashed potatoes because I am like in love with mashed potatoes with cheese. I don't know why. Steven knows how to make them really good. I need to learn. Steven bought some sausages. What are you gonna make with these?
Oh, when we make eggs.
I also bought some Monterey Jack cheese. More of these little pasta noodles. I found this in the frozen area section. I am in love with lo mein and beef and lo mein. I just like that dish together. So every time I'm craving it, like I have to go to the Asian buffet just because that's like the only place I can find it. And so today I was walking past the frozen foods aisle and I found this. So I bought it so that I can try it and see if it actually does taste like, you know, the ones that they have at the Asian buffet. If they do, then this is gonna definitely save me a trip to the Asian buffet. We bought some spaghetti noodles. I bought these chocolates at Burke's Outlet the other day and I just fell in love with them. Anyways, these are so good. We bought some grapes and some apples. Okay guys, I just got done putting up the things that I had shown you guys. So now I have a lot more to show you. So let's begin. I got me some milk. We get the, wait, I thought we always got the 1%. I guess we don't. This is like the whole milk. We also got these little cube cheeses that I like to have in my salads. I don't know if you guys know what I mean by cubed. They're kind of like in a square kind of. So I like to put these in my salads. There's another thing of Alfredo sauce that we're gonna use. We bought a jicama. These are so good. I don't know if you guys know or have even seen some of these in y'all's grocery stores, but they are super good. Especially if you add tahini. Especially if you add tahini to this is like so good. We bought some more cheese. As you guys can see, I am currently obsessed with the jalapeno pepper jack cheese. So we bought some corn for steaks, another bag of the cubed cheeses, another thing of corn. We bought some coffee. You cannot forget about your coffee. We bought some chips as well. We got these. These are so good, but so bad for you. And some tortillas. I like buying these because I like to have them with chile Valentina sauce. So good. Awesome ice cream. We bought these little sandwiches, as well as these little ice cream cones. We bought another thing of ham, some chicken wings, as well as some chicken nuggets. We haven't tried these, but we're gonna try them and hopefully they're as good as the wings. We got them from the same brand, so yeah. We bought some cereal, some jalapeno poppers. These are so good. My friend is coming over tomorrow, so I think I'm just gonna throw these in the oven and kind of have them as appetizers. We bought some chicken breast for the chicken Alfredo. Some chicken drumsticks. I just love chicken drumsticks. I think that's the only thing that I know how to cook, like really good. So I'm sure you guys are gonna think this is gross if you guys haven't seen this, but I am Mexican, and in Mexico we do this kind of chicken soup that's called menudencia, and it has chicken feet with chicken hearts in it, as well as chicken gizzards, and then you add a little bit of rice and some veggies, and OMG, it's so good. So I was craving it and we got all the ingredients for it, so hopefully someday next week we can probably make the menudencia. It's kind of like a chicken soup but with different ingredients. Some beef. It's already cut up in little pieces. I normally like to make this with white rice and veggies, so I don't know, we'll see what I make it with. Steven bought some catfish nuggets. Never heard of them. I wonder how he's gonna cook these. But how are you gonna cook these, babe? Oh, he's planning to do like a soup. We bought some more grapes. We normally always get the green grapes and the purple grapes. We bought some mazapanes and some rice. Steven bought some sriracha. I think it's nasty. He said he likes it with his ramen noodles soups. So we got another thing of strawberry, some bread to do sandwiches, a melon. I saw this and I wanted to try it, so I only got one of these. These are the refried beans. So I'm gonna see if these are good. If not, this will probably be the last one I buy. Steven got the long green and wild rice, I guess.
Yeah, that's right.
We got some beans, some shrimp, 4 little avocados for like the sandwiches. I like my sandwiches loaded, so I'll put in some onions, some tomatoes, some avocado and cheese and ham. And we got some bread. We like to do tortas with this, or just eat it like this by itself. It's like really good. I don't know, especially if it's like fresh bread. So something that is not like food related that we got at the grocery store. By the way, we went to HEB. So we got some laundry soap. This is the one that we use for all of our clothes. I was walking by the candle area and I found this, and it smells really good. I'm Catholic, so I believe in little like saints or whatnot, so I kind of want to like light this up, especially because I just started a new job, and I don't know, I'm like really superstitious. I'm all about vibes, and I feel like if I do light it up, it's gonna help me in some type of way in my new job. I don't know, but anyhow, I've done it before and I've had like really good luck in all of my jobs, thank God. But I also bought this. Like I said, my friend's gonna come over tomorrow, so yeah, we'll probably have some margaritas with the jalapeno poppers that I showed you guys. Hopefully this is good. If you guys have tried this one, let me know down below in the comments. Yeah, I think that is it. Oh, nope, I was lying. I bought 4 of these Easter eggs just because, you know, Easter is coming, and like when it gets like so close to Easter, all the stores literally run out of what do you call these, confetti eggs. So I went ahead and bought 4 of these for Easter, just to let the kids play with them and have a good time. We always buy the 36 count just because we eat a lot of eggs. We need to stop just because our cholesterol when we get old is probably gonna like suck. Yeah, we also bought this iced tea. Stephen always makes tea, and some sugar. Stephen also bought some OJ. But yeah, I don't think we have the best diet out there. I think we need to change it up a little bit and eat a lot more veggies. But yeah guys, that is all that I bought today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.